Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is the crude oil future markets. Crude oil markets rallied initially during the trading session today. We did see prices as high as $72.50 a barrel, but since then we have seen a pair of those gains, and we currently find ourselves trading flat on the day, up at $71.95 a barrel. We're trading comfortably above the 50-day EMA here, and I think that the market's just struggling to find direction. This week we've heard nothing but the risks of the Delta variant, and also we had news yesterday that the US has now come out and told double vaccinated citizens to in fact wear masks even though they have been double vaccinated. And this is because a study showed that even though you've been double vaccinated, those who are still testing positive for COVID with mild symptoms can still infect others. They can still carry the virus, and it's enough virus to infect others. So this is going to, of course, basically cause higher COVID cases in certain places, especially the COVID hotspots. So the US government yesterday coming out and telling its citizens in high risk COVID hotspots to in fact wear a mask. And of course, this is a bit worrying for the demand for crude oil, because there'll be older people who have still been double vaccinated who might not feel comfortable taking the risk, maybe going out to, I don't know, a birthday party, let's say, which of course you would need to consume oil to go to that party, etc. So it will have a knock-on effect for the demand of crude oil in a negative way, and we may see a bit of sluggishness going into the end of the week, perhaps going into the next week. But all in all, I do see the bulls returning to the crude oil markets. I think it's only a matter of time until we do return to the swing highs up at $76 a barrel. Those are the 18-month highs here for the crude oil markets. We've had a very nice rally over the past couple of months, and I think last week where we had that pullback below the 50-day EMA just was it was a real cold glass of water thrown over investors' faces, saying, look, yes, crude oil is bullish, but it can change very, very quickly. So please do make sure that you're trading with good risk here for the crude oil markets, especially now that we're trading back above the 50-day EMA. You can put your stop loss just below there if you are a buyer, and you can take you can set your take profit up at $76 a barrel, which gives you a fantastic risk reward ratio. But I am bullish here for the crude oil markets. It might just be that in the short term we do have a minor pullback to retest that 50-day EMA.